The Internet of Things, IoT, explained in under 5 minutes. Did you know that your smartwatch, your car, and even your refrigerator can communicate over the internet without you touching them? How is that possible? Let's find out. Intro. Imagine waking up in the morning and your coffee machine starts brewing automatically, your lights turn on, and your smartwatch has already tracked your sleep. How is all of this possible? The answer is the Internet of Things, or IoT. In this video, you'll learn what IoT is, how it works, and the main devices that make it possible, all in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. What is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of physical devices connected to the internet that collect and exchange data. These devices can communicate with each other without needing constant human control. Examples include smart TVs, smartwatches, security cameras, smart refrigerators, and even connected cars. IoT helps make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. How does IoT work? IoT works in 4 simple steps. First, sensors collect information such as temperature, movement, light, or location. Second, the device sends this data over the internet using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile networks. Third, cloud servers or edge computers process the information and decide what should happen. Finally, the device performs an action. For example, if a smart thermostat detects that your room is too hot, it automatically turns on the air conditioner. This entire process happens in just seconds. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-understand technology videos. Also, tell us in the comments, which smart device do you use every day? Now, let's continue. **** Main IoT devices 250 ** IoT systems rely on several important devices. Sensors * collect information from the environment. Actuators * carry out actions, such as opening a smart lock or turning on a light. ** and * IoT gateway * connects devices to the internet and securely transfers data. *A cloud platform * stores and processes information. Mobile apps and voice assistants * let users monitor and control IoT devices from anywhere. Benefits and challenges: IoT saves time, improves efficiency, reduces costs, and enables real-time monitoring. However, it also comes with challenges such as cybersecurity risks, privacy concerns, and dependence on a stable internet connection. The Internet of Things is transforming the way we live and work by connecting everyday devices to the internet. From smart homes and healthcare to transportation and agriculture, IoT is shaping a smarter future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like *, share *, and subscribe * for more technology content. See you in the next video.
Please like and subscribe.